Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. Today I want to have a talk about group riding. The first thing on my list is maintenance safety. Make sure that you check all your fluids, your tyres, tread pattern. Make sure you've got plenty of tread on your tyres, your fluids, your oil, your water and everything. Make sure it's all checked. There's nothing more frustrating than somebody breaking down on a group ride, even though people will help you out if you broke down, if you're with friends. Also make sure your lights are all working, your braking lights, your indicators, your front light, your rear light. Make sure everything's working correctly. Again, there's nothing more frustrating if you're in the middle and people can't see you braking. So make sure you check them lights as well. And you've got plenty of fuel. Using a staggered formation will help you keep distance from the bike in front. If you imagine being staggered, the bike that's in front of this bike will be up here. So if you think about the distance, also keeping in mind this bike here, obviously, and don't drift. Know your limits when you're out riding. Keep your distance. All I can say is I learnt the hard way. I went out on a group ride. I kept up with the front riders, which were really experienced. Now I was an experienced rider, but I've never really been one to ride really fast. But I was on a powerful machine, thought that I could handle it, and I ended up crashing. You don't want to do that. Know your own limits. If you're a beginner, stay with the beginner, stay at the back of the pack. I can't stress enough, do not try and keep up with faster riders. Know your own limits, nice and steady. Look as far forward as your eyes can see. This will help you read the road, but also keeping your eye on the bikes around you as well. If you remain in staggered formation, you should be safe. Also remember the bikes behind you. If you're slamming on the anchors and slowing down to a stop, they're going to be doing the same. They need that distance. So keep your eyes in your mirrors as well. You really have to be alert and look everywhere. Obviously, watch out for oncoming traffic. Normally at the beginning of a ride there'll be a briefing with the marshals. Make sure you communicate with them, let them know what your style of riding is. Talk to the other riders. You know, the faster riders, don't try keeping up with them. You're just going to crash, you're just going to end up crashing. I learnt the hard way. I crashed and it's not nice. So don't be trying to keep up with the faster riders, if you're a beginner, that is. So make sure you know your limits. Look as far front as the eyes can see. However, keep your eyes on the other bikes around you and try and stick to the staggered formation. That gives you more distance. Watch out for any slow moving vehicles, i.e. tractors, lorries, because you can be guaranteed that there's going to be something wanting to overtake that slow moving vehicle coming towards you. So make sure you keep your eyes on that as well. Look everywhere, see nothing. Don't fixate on one point. If you fixate on that point, all you're going to do is go directly to it. So if you see a post, a lamp post or a tree, and you're fixating on that, you're going to end up heading straight towards it, and that's disaster written all over it. So please don't fixate on anything as well. Just keep your eye on the road, the bike in front, as far front as you can see. Look everywhere, see nothing. Group riding isn't a race, it's about having fun and getting there safe. That's not just you, that's everybody. You will get the odd maniac on the ride, probably, that's wanting to be up front. Let him do it. You'll ride your own ride to your limits and your limits only, not to theirs, because that's going to cause you to crash. And that's something you don't want to be doing, believe me. Well, I really hope you enjoyed my video on group riding and safety. If you like my video, please like and subscribe for more content coming soon. Thank you. Cut that last bit, that was crap.